Crescendo.
Get things going here for match number 13 at the SunDome event. The luckiest of all of the matches we'll play here this weekend. Taking a look now at our autonomous score, 14-9 favoring red. Let's see if Classified has a Confidential has a last-minute change to that. No, they do not. The score does settle, however, at 14-14 after all the mobility bonuses get counted up by our referees. That mobility bonus comes from moving outside your starting configuration. It's 2 points per robot. Take a look now at our rookie teams there on blue. Lions Bite scoop up a note from the top left corner of the field at the loading station from their human player. And they'll bring it over to the center of their subwoofer, launched it into the speaker. No problem at all there. And Confidential follow it up. 4-point cycle between those two robots. And now let's see if Pullman's Cyborgs can complete the rotation as they try to dance their way around the stage. Notes go flying now. Cheney's Circuit Cyclones decide to send a bit of a twister note over towards our referee. Lands in red field. They'll be able to scoop that one up later. Unless, of course, Confidential comes in and opportunistically takes it away from them. Rather than going to their loading station, they scoop up that note that the Red Alliance dropped, we'll generously say, and then launch it into the Blue Alliance speaker for 2 points of Alliance score. Now starting to eke out a tiny lead, 1 point. They got to extend that one. Right now, it looks like they are eligible for an amplification bonus on their speaker. They will use that as the rookie Lions Bite comes in. They represent Kennewick, Washington, and the Kennewick High School. They're able to scoop up 5 points, rather, from that amplified speaker, and they will be the only blue robot to take advantage of that amplified speaker. 45 seconds left to play. Looking at the Red Alliance side of the field here. We have Steel Ridge Robotics lining up with their 1-point amp right as their alliance partners. High Techers drop off 2 points in the speaker. Now High Techers will look to collect the last remaining note near their loading zone. Looking to launch it into the speaker. 2 points pending, and it's good. It takes them a little minute. Their human player activates their amplification bonus right as that note sinks. That'll actually be worth 5, not 2. They're going to need every point they can get here in the end game as they trail by 10 points. We're going to have maybe a spotlit robot over there on blue. Lions Bite actually has to get off the ground to be spotlit, but they do have a high note wrapped around that microphone. Looking like maybe not the case. We'll see what our referees have to say. Steel Ridge Robotics up in the air for 3 over here on red, and that is it for match 13. That's it for match 13, folks. It's a Blue Alliance victory. 51-44, your final score there. 3 ranking points for each of those Blue Alliance teams. 2 come from winning the match, and 1 from meeting the 18-note threshold as scored between their amp and speaker combined. That's going to hold Pullman's Cyborgs in the number 4 ranked position, and Confidential moves up from 13th to 9th after that great showing in match 13. Match 14 coming soon.